Action.
Hi guys.
Watch what you're doing with the scissors, Coop.
We're trying to open this Kiwi box. I think that's what it's called.
Well, read what it's called. This is called a Kiwi koala crate, and this part says bugs. All right, so here we go.
Okay.
Now, this is for a little bit younger. Cooper's 6. I think this is for ages 3 or 4.
Or 5.
Okay, you got to say what's in there. Okay, so this is the booklet. It says Imagine, and it says bugs. And here's Sammy. And what's that booklet say, buddy?
Bugs.
Okay, this says bugs for the grown-up assistant. Okay, so I don't know if that means the grown-up is the assistant or it's the person who is assisting the grown-up. I'm not sure. Okay, there's a little headband. I'm guessing I'm gonna make some antennae out of that. What else is in the box here?
This.
Well, show it to the camera, Coop.
This. I'm trying to get the wrapper.
Okay. Okay, and we've got a bunch of little stuff. Some pipe cleaners, some googly eyes, different things. All different stuff for, you know, little arts and crafts, making some bugs. There's a piece of felt, I guess, for sticking stuff on.
So, is this the...
Okay, and then what's this big yellow thing? Oh, it's the packing paper. And then in there, I think there are some ideas of what to do. All right, so fun for the whole family. All right, Coop, signing off. It's Cooper and Daddy saying, enjoy your Kiwi Company boxes. Nope, no scissors. Nope, no scissors for baby. Signing out.